So this is a 200-gram cake that we lit off on New Year's. It was a really good one, and I put it on my channel. But in this video, I'm gonna take it apart and see what it looks like on the inside after it's been used. So after taking away the wrapping, looks like it's held together with a wire, some tape, and a lot of different paper. And it's interesting to see how, where the fuse would go through here. And honestly, with the weight of it, I thought there would be a weight in it, but it's really just the clay plugs, all of them. Wow, this thing is heavy. Okay, so next, let's try to get the wire off so we can get in. There it is. So there's all the big tubes done. It'll be interesting to repurpose these and hopefully make them little mine tubes. It's cool to see where they threaded the fuse through. So it went through here, all the way here, and then I'd assume it went out the other side to the next row. So these guys will probably make nice little single-shot comet tubes that I can put on a little piece of cardboard and test out stars individually if I want to. And I'm probably going to leave these in a row, because if I want, I can make a row of comets or a row of small mines, and I'll probably just reinforce these and put them on a little piece of cardboard or a board. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the dissection of this cake. Thanks for watching. See you next time.